acid-base balance. Regulation of acid-base balance is a dynamic and intricate process that involves complex interaction between various systems in the body. Any disruption in this balance can have profound effects on overall health and well-being. It is essential for maintaining the pH within a narrow range in the body. It involves several mechanisms. The body strives to keep the blood pH around 7.4, which is slightly basic. The regulation of acid-base balance is crucial for normal physiological function as even small deviation from the normal pH range can have significant effects on various biochemical processes. There are three main systems involved in regulating acid-base balance. First, the buffer systems. Buffers are substances that can absorb or release hydrogen ions to help stabilize the pH of solutions. The main buffer systems in the body include the bicarbonate buffer systems, the protein buffer systems, and the phosphate buffer system. These buffers act quickly to minimize changes in pH by binding or releasing ions. Respiratory systems. The lungs play a critical role in regulating acid-base balance by controlling the levels of carbon dioxide in the blood. Carbon dioxide can combine with water to form carbonic acid, which can then dissociate into bicarbonate ions and hydrogen ions. By adjusting the rate and depth of breathing, the body can regulate the levels of carbon dioxide and thus control the amount of acids in the blood. And thus, the respiratory system regulates pH primarily by controlling the levels of carbon dioxide in the blood. When carbon dioxide level rise, it combines with water to form carbonic acid, leading to a decrease in pH. The body responds by increasing the rate and depth of breathing to expel excess carbon dioxide, thus raising pH. Conversely, if carbon dioxide levels are low, breathing slows down to retain carbon dioxide, lowering pH. The renal system. The kidneys help regulate acid-base balance by excreting or reabsorbing bicarbonate ions and hydrogen ions. The kidneys can also generate new bicarbonate ions to help buffer excess acids in the blood. Additionally, the kidneys regulate the excretion of ammonia, which can act as a buffer by accepting hydrogen ions to form ammonium. Factors that can disrupt acid-base balance include respiratory disorders, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, metabolic imbalances, such as diabetic ketoacidosis or renal failure, and certain medication. In response to this disruption, the body activates compensatory mechanisms to restore pH to normal levels. For example, in respiratory acidosis caused by impaired lung function, the kidneys increase bicarbonate reabsorption to raise pH. Failure to regulate acid-base balance effectively can lead to severe consequences including metabolic acidosis, respiratory alkalosis, or mixed acid-base disorder. Symptoms of acid-base imbalances can range from mild, such as fatigue and confusion, to life-threatening conditions like coma or cardiac arrest.